This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
This is amazing. I'm Brandon. I'm David's. Is he there?
This is my friend Brandon. And last year, we invited 50 strangers into my flat to reveal a project we'd been working on.
And tomorrow we're doing a secret show in Berlin, which is always just a beautiful thing to do.
This is how we turned this So let's go back in time to where this all started. I moved to Berlin with one goal: find a creative community to be part of. And I guess the powers of manifestation are real because that didn't take long at all. And before I knew it, I met Brandon. Painting Brandon's nails. I did not realize that you lived as this person. Brandon was seeking the same exact thing as I was after moving away from New York and starting a completely new chapter. And pretty soon we were spending every day together. This is my day off from working with Brandon. So I'm going to meet Brandon. Our friendship actually started in a pretty bro-y way. One night we were at a bar with our friends, and after a few too many Negronis, someone proposed we have a flexing contest to see who has the biggest gains. And that's when Brandon offered to take me to the gym with him, promising that he would be able to transform me into a twunk within the next 3 months. And for some reason, I said yes. Oh wait, and this is the twink one? This is like two.
Yeah, that's
Lovely. Not the supermarket. Getting twunk ingredients. This is me in Brandon shorts, kind of giving twunk. This is my first smoothie. This is the twunk potion. Cheers. 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 That's actually bomb. What's the bomb part? That doesn't taste like any of the ingredients you put in there.
Yeah.
Also, like the sun and everything. This is a fucking vibe. If this is what being a gym bro is like, I get it. At some point during our gym bro chats, Brandon told me about another series idea that he had, and I quickly put my twunk days behind me and stepped into my producer era. And just like that, our new series was born.
Brandon is doing a series with all the friends, all the gay friends, of their coming out stories, and then Brandon is making a song about the coming out story. I unfortunately do not have a very dramatic coming out story. I think I just had an awkward conversation with my mom on the phone. I think that was it. Does my dad know I'm gay a little? I don't think he knows. So I mean, there's still more to the story that could happen, but I'm not gonna do that anytime soon. Oh my gosh, Pablo!
You got the accent so right too.
we're gonna do this.
So we're recording one of the episodes for the series that Brandon and I are doing, and they're going to be reacting their songs live at the concert. So this is a very important day, a lot of setup. I'm excited. This is really cute. This is super cute.
Yeah, no, I am gay.
Last week, you told me some intimate details about your coming out stories. I have no idea what I'm gonna do.
Oh god, I'm so scared.
Alright, this is for Issa. She never had to worry in a liberal arts school. And they were all peering in, even her boyfriend in the room. first came fast, but she a lesbian. And she said, fuck, I'm screwed, cause he believes it's true. But it all worked out fine in the end, cause he was gay too.
I fucking love it. That was hilarious.
That was amazing.
That was amazing.
Can I have some tea, please? Production.
Yeah. Working on this project with Brandon was the first thing that actually gave me the confidence to apply my skills outside of my own YouTube channel. And eventually that spurred the beginning of my freelancing journey, which I'm currently in. Right, Moosey? And now all of my work lives on my website, which I have been happily designing with Squarespace, today's sponsor. Squarespace is an all-in-one website building platform, making it easy to create a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell your products all in one place. Lately, I've been learning how to make my site the absolute best that it can be. Their SEO tools ensure that my work is discoverable and that my website will come up higher in search results. And with Squarespace payments, you can handle transactions seamlessly. Whether it's booking creative work or selling something in the future, I can accept payments instantly using Apple Pay, Klarna, and more. Whatever you do and whatever chapter you're entering in your life, Squarespace can help you build a website that fits it beautifully. So go ahead and head over to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/willscamera for 10% off of your first purchase of a website or domain. Huge thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Love you guys. Lick me if you think they should design a website with Squarespace. I mean...
Okay. What I have to go soon.
God. Okay. What's today?
Today we are launching this thing that we worked super fucking hard on.
And then tomorrow.
And tomorrow we're doing a secret show in Berlin, which is always just a beautiful thing to do.
Look at that. Stories to Songs, episode 1.
Look at that graphic design.
What did he do?
But that's what.
He came out as gay.
Wait, is it up there?
It's up on the screen. So I guess the next question to answer is, why are we doing this?
Really? That's actually good. I try to do my life like it's always been. Smack that thing 5 times. Darling, I simply was not
What were we talking about?
How I think it's a good sign if like some people start expressing doubt in the things that you're doing, because it means that you're taking considerable risks and you're trying things that are different and they're not predictable. I feel like that's why I needed such a big change.
Coming to Berlin?
Yeah, and I think you have to also have to confront when you're making art, like, am I reaching the people that I want to reach? Yeah, I've really gotten to break out of my shell in my personal life, and now I'm really trying to do that in my more public, career-facing life.
Do you feel like you're doing that now with music?
No, not yet. No.
So that's why we're doing.
Well, because I only came out after my first record. I think it's an amazing thing if you can find a way to involve your friends in your art, and if you could find a way to genuinely have joy connected to your art, and it's not just this agonizing, only the really difficult moments.
I remember when I met you, you were it's what brought you to Berlin? And you were like, oh, New York was such a straight era for me. I was like, what?
Is that what I said?
Yeah. I was like, what? You were like straight. And I was like linear? What?
Yeah.
No, heterosexual.
I think you're the only person I could do this with, hands down. The people in my life, at least.
We literally know each other for 4 months. We're kind of doing what lesbians do, but with friendship.
We're lesbian friends, and they move in the woods in the cabin. We're in a monogamous friendship because we're not really seeing anyone else recently.
The most difficult thing to explain to non-queer people, it's it's not that you don't get it, or it's not that you don't support me or love me. It's just, we are experiencing just an entirely different set of stuff that we're dealing with. And it's not better or worse, it's just different, and sometimes it's worse. But sometimes it's a lot better. You know, like,
Yeah.
you should, like, have some fun. And that's kind of where I'm at now.
We're testing the projections. Emily and I are testing the projections at a right time here.
There was this girl, I'm gonna just use her name. Hey, Emma!
Okay, so Brandon and I are having a house concert / reveal party here at my flat tomorrow night. So we invited a bunch of our creator friends, as well as had some of our friends post on their Instagram stories to ask for followers of theirs to come to my flat and react live to the songs that Brandon wrote for our friends. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the show. Okay, that was a pretty underwhelming reaction. So we've been working on the series Stories to Songs, and we've filmed a bunch. So tomorrow, Brandon's doing 3 live reveals here for these songs. If time allows, bitch, we're like 1 hour from the show.
Wait, he said earlier was just like sitting on the thing, and he goes, it's like,
I was stressed.
you need to shower, we need to do your nails, and then you need to do your outfit.
You're just such a good assistant, honestly.
I hate that.
This.
I'm co-writing your song.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
I changed one lyric in your song. Right. Here's the lyric. He fucks you once and then says
He taints you, and then he just leaves you.
And my lyric was, he fills you up and then just leaves you. It's like he fills you up and then just leaves you. So we are kind of a dream team. I can't. No. Should I do it? Yes. You'll probably know. Just listen out for it when you're hearing it. This is bad. Okay, I thought Yusa did a bad job, but fuck.
I think it looks good, actually.
Yeah, from a distance, right?
No.
Thank you, Will.
Well, let's see.
Well, yes. No, from this distance it looks
Let's just
good.
do one more coat.
Wait, I feel like these are made really. Men, like men have like the best eyebrows.
You could. I love how dedicated you are about your brows.
Yeah, I hate when you read me because I'm like, damn, I really must be gay.
No, it's just I don't have anyone to gay read.
with.
Right? That's so cute. I love that for us.
We have flowers from Helena and Leni. Look at them.
I'm Brandon. If you didn't know. This is a crazy idea that we have, and I'm just really happy to see so many beautiful, cute people. It's amazing. Thank you for being here. In the spirit that this is a reveal party, we have none other than Reveal Party here to play.
really anxious about today, and I've just had a lot of fun. As I always do.
So, you're going to see an interview that we did with the one and only Anya. So then we will play the songs, and they will not know what's coming, and either will you. And you will be on camera. I hope that's okay. If it's not, then I don't know why you came tonight.
Habit of taking an edible and literally just playing pinpoint by hates it every night. I did that every night, and then I was with Nemo and May having breakfast, and they were like, "Let's play Brandon's music." I was like, "Yeah, I've never heard it." And then your song played, and I was like, "Wait, I love this song. This reminds me of like my favorite song." And I was like, "Wait, this is my favorite."
Serious question for you, Pablo.
Yeah.
Have you been tested recently? So we just call him gonorrhea. He fills you up and then he leaves you.
Oh my god.
Will, did you write this last line? The fucking...
I wrote Philly.
I knew it!